Good morning. Today we are presenting our project carbon purification plant. As you know, sir, the pollution is increasing day by day. It is based on the real life problem solution. The factories and industries release harmful gas like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide.
These gases are harmful for us. It causes environmental issues and heart problems like asthma. So it is very important to control carbon pollution. We make carbon blocks and industrial materials which remain carbons.
Let me show how it works. In our model, the smoke comes out from the factory, then it travels through the pipe into the purification chamber. Inside the chamber, filters like water filters and carbon filters are used. Those filters trap harmful carbon particles.
After the filterization process, the cleaner air is released through the tall chimney. This reduces the amount of pollution in the environment. Such a system can be used in real industries and power plants. Thank you.
Good morning. Today I am presenting energy efficient house model. This house is powered by 100% renewable source of energy like solar energy and wind energy. That is 0% pollution. Thank you.
This is our science project, automatic water dispenser. It is a device which dispenses water automatically without the manual effort. It saves water and maintains hygiene.
When we place a hand near to the sensor, it sends a signal to the control circuit. Then the control circuit activates a small water pump. The water will flow from the container into the glass.
When hand is removed from the sensor, the sensor stops sending the signals. The pump automatically turns off.
Let me show the demo, how it works. Water is coming, and when I remove my hand, it will stop.
Good morning. We are presenting our science model project, Simple, Secure, Smart City. Our aim is to show how technology makes cities safer and smarter. In today's world, early warning safety is very important for us. First, our model and actor detector. This sensor detects vibration in the ground. If a strong or felt, the alarm rings turn on. How to work? And second, we have made a rain detector. It detects moisture and it gives an alert as possible to the floods. Let me show how it works. We also added a laser beam security alarm. A laser beam is placed between two things. If someone breaks or crosses the beam, the ring alarms immediately. And street lights, buildings shows how smart city is developed. Through this project, we learn about smart safety city. Thank you.
Good morning. My project is called rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting means collecting, storing and reusing rainwater. Let me explain my model to you step by step. When rainwater falls on the roof, it collected into a rooftop storage tank. The water inside that tank guided through pipes and went into a filtration tank. That filtration tank get out the dirt, leaves and impurities. And then the water is purified, and that purified water went into an underground recharge water tank. That water you can use it for your future use like farming, animal husbandry, gardening work. And this method also increases groundwater level in wells and even in bore wells. And in last, I just want to say thank you.
Good morning. I am a student of class 8. For our science exhibition, I have made the 3D model of human eye. The human eye is a sensory organ tool that allows us to see, to detect light and send signal to the brain. The part of the human eye. First, scleria, the protective white membrane which covers most of the eyeball. Number 2, cornea, a transparent membrane which helps to protect the eye and begins focusing the light. Number 2, iris. The color disc-shaped diaphragm which control the amount of light entering the inner part of the eye. To fold, pupil. The black hole in the center of iris which changes size to control the amount of light. Number 5, lens. In our eye there is a convex lens which change their size to focus on near or far object. 6, retina. The back of the human eye where an image is formed. 7, optic nerve. The image on the retina which is collected by sense receptor and sent to the brain by optic nerve, and our brain which forms image. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. We are here to present our science project. We have built voice assistant robot.
Our robots can receive voice commands and perform actions accordingly.
We have integrated Gemini AI in this robot. With this feature, we can ask any question to this robot and this robot will answer it.
AI processed our word and it will respond it. Let me show you, sir, how it works.
First, we have to connect this robot with our mobile phone. Let me connect. We have connected. Now, I will say move forward. Stop. Move backward. Stop. Move turn left. Turn right. Now, let's move to our second feature. It will answer any questions. So, who is current Chief Minister of Bihar?
The current Chief Minister of Bihar is Nitish Kumar. He has been serving in that position for multiple terms.
Good morning, sir. We have built a working model of neuron cell. It is the longest cell in our body. Neuron cell received chemical information from dendrite and changed into electrical impulse. Through cell body information passes to axon and through axon to nerve impulse. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, I am Satya.
Good morning, sir. I am Adhara. We are from class 7 and we made this science exhibition project. The project is respiratory system. A respiratory system is a vital system which helps us to inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide.
Here is an injection which shows inhaling and exhaling of carbon dioxide and oxygen. When we push the injection, the balloon will blow and it shows the inhaling of oxygen. And when we push out, this shows the exhaling of carbon dioxide. Here is a pen. When we put on lungs, the bulb will blow and this indicates it is lungs. When we put on windpipe, it indicates the windpipe. And when we put on pharynx, it shows the pharynx. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am Amol. Good morning, sir. I am Aditya Raj. We are from class 7 and we made this science exhibition project, the remote control car. It is a car which is very lightweighted. It can carry a weight up to 250 grams. It can get a speed up to 5 km per hour. It can make a 360-degree turn, so it can go anywhere. When the switch is on from the remote, the motor side the car turns on, which helps to go right, left, front. It also makes a 360 turn at one place.